Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best Halloween decorations for kitchen available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 3 we have Fshin and Fshin wooden spoons. It is made of eco-friendly bamboo. This set is excellent and covers your stirring and serving needs. You can add a stylish touch to your home and kitchen with the modern bamboo look. You can use these utensils for high-heat sautéing, baking, mixing, flipping. On number 2 we have Dai Halloween Dish Towel Set. The festive design coordinate with most kitchen decor to add holiday joyfulness to your kitchen. It is perfect gift for Halloween party, holidays, birthdays, housewarming and more. On number 1 we have Silver Buffalo Glass Set. Our 4-piece glass tumbler set holds 10 ounces of your favorite beverage in each glass, and features the images of the Pumpkin King Jack Skellington, his undead bride Sally. This tumbler glass set is hand wash only, not suitable for dishwasher or microwave. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.